Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the Southern Grind Penguin here with me for a quick maintenance video, and we're gonna try to see if we can improve the action of this nice guy. So let's get started, but hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's go ahead and start with, you're gonna need a T8 and a T6 Torx bit screw to take this guy down. You see that probably the pivot is gonna be keyed in because there's nothing to access from this side, and we're gonna start from the handle right over here, just like that with your T6, and just gently unscrew this first one and then the second one right over here. Nice couple standoffs over there, and these guys are done. Then you just swap that, you take your T8 and there you go. Yeah, nothing in spinning. So I'm curious to see how it's locked in. This is a pretty oversized pivot, which I like, of course, and let's see, just gently pull out the blade like that, and scale should just come out like that. Very nice, very simple construction. You can see there's no skeletonization. This titanium slab, a couple of screws over here, not the same height, so that's interesting. No stainless steel lock face insert. I see that the lock face is carbidized. There's no washers here, so but these are stainless steel bearings, and let's just start and clean up. It's pretty clean actually. The pivot, it's keyed in, like you see. That's very nice with this little indentation right over there. Very, very cool. That's the stop pin. We're gonna take some alcohol and just a cleaning cloth, and I'm just gonna pour some alcohol into that right over there, and that fell off, not a biggie. And we're gonna just start cleaning everything around here. Clean the scale on the inside, on the outside, and we're gonna try to see if we can improve a little bit the action, because it was alright, but maybe we can do something a little bit more. And this is your stop pin. That's nice. Just a couple of plastic caged stainless steel bearings here. Just clean these guys up as well, and we're gonna clean the pivot with the nice logo on this side. I love when they find a simple solution to key in a pivot. It makes it super easy to take the knife down. And the blade, nice detent ball ramp. As you can see, skeletonized flipper tab. We can also just give it a little clean across the bevel, and also we're gonna clean this lock face and the pivot indentation right over here, and we are pretty much done. Right, that's very good. We're gonna start from this side because the pivot is keyed in. So we're gonna need to just set it like, see, you're just gonna rotate until it locks in place, and you're gonna flip it over, and just like that, you're gonna use your bearing like so. That's in, and a little bit of 10 weight nano oil. We're gonna try with this one, just like 1, 2, and 3 drops, and maybe just a little bit around the pivot, and then you've got your blade in like that. Don't forget the stop pin like so, and the second bearing is gonna be in, just a little touch, another like 3 drops, and just a little bit more like that on the just around the pivot. And then what let's do just like actually let me just do a little bit of this is a 10 weight, no, actually let's just do 85 weight nano oil right over here, right on the detent ball ramp, just like a tiny drop like so, and should be enough for the detent ball. And then you just put your lock side scale in place. We can just do, actually we're gonna use a little bit of Loctite. Grab your T6 bit, sorry, over here like so, And we're gonna start just like this from the back of the handle, like so. And the second handle screw is like that. It's in as well. We're gonna just tighten this guy at the end. Now just gonna relieve the tension from that lock bar, and then a little bit of blue Loctite just around the thread, you see, something like that is gonna be pretty much enough to avoid the pivot from unscrewing. And then you grab your T8 and you just screw the pivot in like so. I'm gonna try to tune the action, check that the blade is centered, and see if we can let's just go all the way down. That's too much, of course. Yeah, that's too tight. So just unscrew a little bit to a point where the blade is still centered, like that, and to the point where it's like that. Just spread a little bit the grease, and I think actually it doesn't look right to me. It doesn't sit like perfectly flush. Exactly, yeah. So make sure that this is aligned. So it has to be absolutely flush with the scale. So let's check again for blade centering. Let's check again for blade play, and oh, look at this. Very interesting action, guys. Oops. There's no blade play. Oh, guys. Very, very nice. Blade is centered. Nice lockup. Very, very cool action, I have to say. Nice glide shot. It doesn't fall shut, you see. Just a nice wiggle, just a tiny wiggle. Boom, and you are done. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.